Hello, and welcome back to 50 Plus Unstoppable You. Have you ever wished you had someone to help with everyday tasks? Today, I'll show you 4 ways to use ChatGPT in everyday life. Let's get started. To alleviate my boredom of eating the same things, I'll prompt for something new to eat. Here's my prompt. I'm using 2 tips from the prior video. First, I'm being specific, citing medical conditions and dietary preferences. And second, I'm asking ChatGPT to format the results. We all need help writing from time to time. I'll prompt ChatGPT with the following. If I'm not happy with those results, I can prompt for a rewrite or submit a new prompt. You can use ChatGPT to review what you wrote and provide improvement recommendations. ChatGPT can help me organize an idea. Say I'm thinking about a weekend getaway. Notice how it breaks things down: morning, afternoon, evening. Consider adding other phrases such as add rain-friendly ideas or make it budget-friendly. ChatGPT is great for getting information and help. Say I heard a new word or phrase and I need an explanation. I key my prompt, adding specifics and directing the format. Another example is that I'm having a technical issue with my laptop, but I don't know how to fix it. I can prompt ChatGPT for assistance. It's great to know I can use ChatGPT instead of phoning a friend. With ChatGPT to ease meal planning, write notes, plan travel, and get information, everyday tasks can be easier. The applications are endless, so bring your curiosity. In the next video, I'll show you how ChatGPT can support your personal growth. Thank you for joining.